Hey guys, how you doing? I have been a busy little beaver today. Yeah, I have. Got up at 7, tried to jump start the van. It was, I'm having none of this. I'm having none of this. So I said, okay, let me call the tow company. So I called the tow company. They came out in about 20 minutes. I had the appointment at 8:30. I called the tow truck like a quarter to 8, and I missed my 8:30 appointment. But he was really good getting me over there, and yeah, I got it. I got it fixed. I got it fixed. Yay! Yay! um, Ended up being that um, the connectors to the battery uh, were shot. Okay, they were on there tight, but they were just no good. The wire leading to the connector part wasn't any good, so they had to replace that. And they were just uh, really annoyed that that company, did such shoddy work. And also, I got the brakes figured out. They forgot to put the lubrication in the brake shoes and stuff like that. Apparently, it's important. So, yeah. So my brakes are okay. Now, the missing part, it sounds like it's missing. That was because of the battery. And yeah, so I've had no missing since I've been driving it around this afternoon. Yay! So yeah, I'm happy. It and they put it on the computer so the car computer could talk to the big computer. So that cost a total of $375, which I thought was a pretty good deal. So I'm tired. Yeah. So I went to grab some lunch and laid down at Walmart. That camper's still there, by the way. I think they're having engine problems or something. So Walmart's real good about that. If you're having problems with your RV or whatever, they let you stay there for a pretty long time. So, never mind what I said about their abusing abusing it. So apparently they're, because I saw them underneath the camper today and they're working. And I kind of felt bad. I felt guilty for automatically assuming that they were just, being, bad. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry I jumped the gun there. I try not to do that, but sometimes it just gets to you. Anyway, we are at the laundromat. I was going to do laundry tomorrow. I thought I could make it one more day. Sure, you can wear underwear 2 days in a row. It ain't going to kill you. I know a lot of you out there are going, oh my God. She's got to be kidding. Don't be sending me underwear. That'd be too funny. Anyway, after we took a nap, I went to my brother's to get the mail. That's a nice Chevy truck, an old-fashioned one with the silver on the chrome on the outside of the back, the uh, the gate, and it says Chevrolet. Yeah, the one that it was a pretty blue and it has the black stripe around. Oh yeah, my dad had one like that. Yeah, I wish I had it. Anywho, went to pick up the mail, and they are working on Dave's yard with the mowing and the weed eating and this, and I'm thinking I am not pulling in there because he will have a fit. He will. And I don't feel like hearing it. So I said, okay, let's go do laundry. So I've got 10 minutes left before I have to go fold the laundry in half because what, honey? What, baby? I know. It's been a day, hasn't it? I'm so sorry. You want to come up and say hi? Oh, ow, ow. Hey, you done? Get back here. Get back here. No one wants to. Come on. Oh, go on. Oh, so I'll be back in a minute. Okay, he's gone. So I think we're gonna stay in town tonight, but I got to be back at Dave's house tomorrow afternoon to make sure I didn't leave a mess or anything at the house. You know, I do have 2 little cans of Vienna sausage empty, sitting on the counter. I don't want that. I don't want that to be there when Patty gets, or the bag of trash in the yard that I was going to take to the dump today, but I didn't end up doing that. I'll check it in the morning. No, I'll take it in the afternoon after I get the mail. Yeah, that's what I'll do. Okay. In case anyone helped me out by praying for the van, thank you very much. Came in handy. Thank you. I didn't need any money. People are starting to say I'm e-begging. I'm thinking, do I ever mention I need money? No. If I need money, I'll tell you guys, hey, fork it over. I'm kidding. TJ wants me to start a tip jar or something like that. I don't get that. I don't understand that thing. Or what some people say, buy me a cup of coffee. And I'm thinking, well, why should anyone buy me a cup of coffee? You know? You got enough trouble buying your own coffee. So, but there are people that don't have to worry about money so far. Yeah. I don't have a lot. I'm tired. It's going to be an early night for me. So, about my black curtains, someone said they're too short for your window. They're not big enough. All I care about is them covering the back part. If I leave on the back window, if I leave that much without a curtain, I don't care. I'm not really worried about people looking in. Because if anyone gets near the van, he'll know. So, so I'm really not worried about it. The curtains that I used to have, that I've made these things. I think I'm going to put them on the back window. How's that sound? That window, and I think I have enough to do both the little side windows. So the cardboard does look a little tacky. I admit it. But that's all I had at the time, you know. So I'm gonna get some foam core and put this on the foam core. I'm gonna get black foam core and put this on the front of it, so it'll look black on the outside and this on the inside. So I think it'll look pretty. So anyway, I'm gonna go for now. I can't think straight with someone barking all over the place. So you guys take it easy. Take the long way home.